Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to verify email on Character.AI. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search Character.AI and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the top left, you can see the option sign up. You need to click over there. Now here you can see option to continue your account with, either using your Google or your Apple or simply entering your email. Now for this video, we will go for email. After that, you need to simply click on continue. Now verification link will be sent to your email, so go and make sure to check it. Here you can see the mail, simply click over there. And here all you need to do is click on login to Character.AI. Now here you need to fill down your basic information like your birth date. Now here you can see that your account has been created as well as your email also has been verified. If your email wasn't verified, then you couldn't be able to open yourself a Character.AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.